Optimus, you're not going to believe this. I've just pinpointed the location of the Decepticon warship.
How did you penetrate their cloaking technology?
I didn't. I was experimenting with variable frequency wavelengths when I stumbled upon it. Even still, their ship must be experiencing some kind of electromagnetic breach.
With Megatron deceased and the element of surprise?
We could cause some serious damage.
Also on the same frequency, an Autobot emergency beacon.
The Decepticons can wait. There may be Autobots in distress. Ratchet, bring your medical kit. A crash landing. Buried here for centuries.
If they traveled in stasis mode, there may be survivors. Optimus, these Autobots didn't perish in the crash. They're displaying the effects of a virus.
This is a plague ship.
Don't touch anything. The virus could still be active. Cybonic plague. It's only contagious if contact is made with the infected Energon.
What was a plague doing in an Autobot spaceship?
Its passengers were infected. The virus wiped out millions on Cybertron during the Great War.
Cybonic plague was engineered in the Decepticons' biological warfare program. By Megatron himself.
You have a cure, don't you?
No cure.
Optimus, please. Save your strength.
Would Megatron create a disease without having a cure? I mean, what if he caught it by accident?
It's not like we can ask Megatron, Jack. He's pushing up lug nuts.
But we might be able to access the Decepticon database. For the moment, we still have a fix on their warship's location.
Bumblebee, come with.
RC, quickly.
Let's start with the lab. I'm in the network.
Ratchet. Were you
Infected? No.
If it's here, I don't see it.
Are you certain, RC?
I've searched every file. Nothing.
Well, search again. Clearly you missed something.
I scanned the entire database.
Did you use a redundant quantum algorithm?
Don't tell me how to research. You think you're the only one who cares about Optimus? What is it?
What is it? What's going on?
It's Megatron. He's alive.
What?
That's not possible.
Well, I'm staring right at him. Good news is, Megatron isn't exactly staring back.
Megatron.
He's critical, hooked up to life support. Time to finish this once and for all.
Wait! Don't!
One good reason, fast.
Megatron may be Optimus's only hope for survival.
What are you talking about?
Does he display brainwave activity?
Spiking hard. His sick mind's still at work.
Perfect. If a cure exists, Megatron may be the only one who knows it. You must enter his brain and find it.
Enter Megatron's brain? Ratchet, are you out of your fraggin' mind?
The Decepticon laboratory should contain all the equipment you need for a cortical psychic patch.
No way. Have you ever even performed the procedure?
No. But I have thoroughly studied the theoretical literature. Invented by Decepticons, outlawed by Autobots.
Whoa. Can't we just haul Megatron through the ground bridge? Buy us some time to figure this out?
Time is one thing that Optimus does not have. One of you must try this. I will not allow Optimus to pass, knowing that Megatron will outlive him.
Ratchet, I would lay down my life for Optimus. Anytime, anywhere. But a mind-body split... You will?
Are you sure, Bumblebee?
He's the best scout there is.
Why has the electromagnetic shielding not been repaired?
The crews are working as quickly as they can, Lord.
We are leaking a trail. All the Autobots need do to pinpoint our position is to access the correct frequency wavelength. Accelerate your efforts.
Yes, Lord Starscream.
Doctor in the house.
Ah, Knockout. And how is the patient doing today?
Same old.
An inglorious fate that he should remain in this vegetative state.
On the contrary, Megatron's body may be scrap metal, but his mind is still percolating.
Keep that to yourself. That blasted Soundwave sees and hears everything.
The eyes and ears of the Decepticons.
Well, as long as their master remains in limbo, so does their cause. The Decepticons deserve a strong, alert leader.
One who would require a loyal second in command.
A candidate would need to earn that post by making a strong case to said eyes and ears.
A case for showing mercy, Lord Starscream.
You scratch my back, I scratch yours.
Ratchet, we're ready.
Initiate cortical psychic patch. Communications downlink activated. This will allow us to see and hear everything Bumblebee does while within Megatron's subconscious mind.
Whoa. Where's that?
B says it looks like Kaon. The Decepticon capital back on Cybertron.
Ratch, Optimus's vitals.
I know. Quickly, Bumblebee. know you're in unknown territory, but you must figure out where information might be filed in Megatron's mind. Bumblebee, that is not Optimus, but a figment of Megatron's mind. It cannot see or hear you.
Optimus Prime, your Autobot armies are defeated. Bow before your new master.
Never, Megatron. One shall stand, one shall fall.
So be it.
That never happened.
It's not a memory. We're seeing Kaon as Megatron has recreated it in his darkest dreams.
Megatron, your treachery ends here.
The Autobot Scout. The punishment for trespassing in my domain is your destruction! How can this be?
Megatron can't touch B?
Because he's not a creation of Megatron's mind, Bumblebee is immune to his physical attack.
You are not wearing phase displacement armor. Your eyes track my movements, so you're not a hologram. And I do not believe in spirits. So tell me, Scout, what are you?
Megatron.
Uh-oh, special guest stars.
This is not good.
You are real. They were not. A cortical psychic patch. How unexpected.
We've stirred Megatron from his oblivion. He's becoming self-aware.
If this is my subconscious, what are you doing inside my head?
Come on, B. What are you doing in there?
Knockouts, if you would be so kind as to provide your expert medical opinion to Soundwave for the historical record.
Simply put, unaided, Megatron could remain in this deathless slumber forever.
Our master would not have wanted to be seen this way. To stand idly by while he remains captive in his own body is not just.
Brainwave activity, not evidence of consciousness, but merely of an endless dream from which Megatron may never wake.
Soundwave, we must face reality. Megatron is lost to us.
The only honorable option would be to show him mercy.
A simple throw of the switch.
Quick, painless, compassionate.
Ratchet, are you hearing this?
If Megatron perishes, Bumblebee's mind will remain separated from his body. Forever.
We'll lose Bumblebee and Optimus?
The only way you could have entered my mind is via cortical psychic patch. But the question remains, what happened to me? space bridge explosion. And yet if you're in my head, I am not one with the Allspark. So tell me, Scout, do I still function?
Bumblebee, we are out of time.
Cybonic plague? Someone besides myself is unwell? Optimus! Such irony! That after ages of endless battle, the mighty Optimus Prime is felled by a simple virus from the distant past. And what makes you think I would save the life of my oldest enemy?
Megatron, your treachery is...
Oh, and just what is it that I want most, Scout? Did you not see? I do slay Optimus by my own hand, at will, whenever I desire.
B told Megatron if he lets the plague virus destroy the real Optimus, Megatron will never get the chance to do it himself.
Smart.
Twisted.
Soundwave, do I take your silence to mean you concur with Knockout's medical expertise? Speak now, or forever hold your peace. Going. Going.
Crap.
After our deep history together, to not watch the spark ebb from Optimus's eyes with my very own. Well played, Scout. The chemical formula for the cure you seek. Not that I expect you to know how to read it. Not yet. And how am I to accomplish terminating Optimus as you propose, while I'm trapped here in a perpetual daydream? Once you release me from this prison, you will have the cure.
Come on, come on.
You must guarantee my recovery, or Optimus fades to gunmetal gray. The real Optimus.
RC, we have the formula. Disconnect Bumblebee now!
You were watching. You tricked me! No! Take me with you! Take me!
Hurry, B.
What in? Intruder!
Allow me.
It was the inevitable outcome. Of course, it would be wrong to allow Megatron to perish by an Autobot's hand. Knockout.
That's it. Steady.
Please, Reserve the hero's welcome for my physician and my scout.
All right.
And how is the patient doing today?
Funny you should ask. Not sure what the bots did in there, but Megatron's registering 0 brainwave activity.
Meaning?
Physically, he's stable, but now there's no one home.
Yes!